Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your own family channel. Enjoy it. I hope so this is very helpful for you all. In this channel there is a very beautiful crochet related videos for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, watch my videos till at the end, and please like my videos and share my videos. Today I have very beautiful topic for you. Crocheting baby blanket is a popular and rewarding craft that brings joy to both the maker and the receiver. These soft and cozy blankets are not only practical for keeping little ones warm, but they also serve as a cherished keepsakes that can be passed down through generations. In this video, we will explore the world of crochet baby blanket, from the material and patterns used to the benefits in making them. When it comes to crocheting baby blankets, the choice of material is essential. Opting for a soft and hypoallergenic is ensure baby delicate skin remains comfortable and irritation free. Baby friendly yarn options includes a cotton, bamboo and acrylic blends. Cotton is breathable and ideal for warmer climate, while bamboo offers a luxurious feel and natural antibacterial properties. In the term of patterns, the possibilities are endless. One of the most popular pattern for baby blanket is the classic granny square. This pattern involves stitching together a series of square of motifs, creating a beautiful patchwork design. Granny squares can be made using a single color or a variety of colors to create a vibrant, eye-catching blankets. Another popular pattern is a ripple or a chevron pattern. This design features repeated peaks and valley, resulting in a visually striking and textured blanket. The ripple pattern can be used by be made using two or more colors, allowing for endless color combinations and personalization. For those who prefer a simpler design, the striped pattern is a great choice. This pattern involves crocheting rows of different colors, creating a clean and modern look. Aside from the various pattern available, the crocheters can be also experiment with the different stitches to add texture and interest in their baby blankets. Popular stitch options include the shell stitch, pop